Hello everyone, my name is KB Kwan from tasteasianfood.com. In this video, I want to share with you the method of how to prepare the Chinese salt and pepper shrimps. Salt and pepper shrimp is often served as one of the main course of the Chinese banquet, but it can also be an appetizer for a set meal. Let's take a look how to prepare it. You can get the recipe in the description right below the video and more information by following the link to the blog post. First, clean the shrimps. Clean and trim off the legs. You can remove the head partially or leave it intact for better presentation, but do not remove the shell and leave the tail intact. Cut the shell open on the back of the shrimps and devein. Transfer the shrimps into the colander and drain. Then transfer the shrimps to a tray lined with kitchen paper towel. Put it aside and let it dry before deep frying. Making Sichuan pepper salt. We need 2 parts of Sichuan peppercorn and 3 parts of salt. Put the salt and Sichuan peppercorns in a pan and toss it over low heat. When the salt starts to change to light yellow, it's about 3 minutes, remove. Use a spice grinder to grind it to become powder. That's the Sichuan pepper salt. Now we prepare the aromatics. Bash and coarsely chop the garlic. Some ginger, also coarsely chopped. And some scallions. Use a white section only. Cut some bell pepper to add some red color to the dish. If you like hot and spicy, substitute it with some red hot chili. Coat the shrimps with cornstarch before deep frying. Deep fry the shrimps in hot oil at about 200 degrees for about 1 minute. It is advisable to deep fry the shrimp in batches. They will not evenly cook if it is too congested and may stick to each other in the oil. Deep fry in hot oil, the key to create great flavor. Remove it from the oil once the shell turns pink and translucent. Saute the ginger, garlic and scallion until aromatic. Add the deep fried shrimps and the Sichuan pepper salt into the wok. Have a few quick stirs and flips. Add the red pepper. Remove immediately to avoid overcooking. Serve immediately. Salt and pepper shrimp is a main dish for the Chinese banquet, or as an appetizer when serving in a smaller quantity. This is how I prepare the salt and pepper shrimps. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button. Until then, I'll see you again in the next video. My name is KP Kwan. Bye for now.